Welcome student of class 4. Today's topic is degrees of comparison. Students, you must have studied about adjectives. What are adjectives? A word that describes qualities of noun are called adjective. Some qualities vary between two or more nouns known as the degree of comparison. Students, let's understand the qualities. Adjectives are actually the qualities of a noun, and when that qualities can vary also because everyone is not same. This is why use of adjectives are also different. So today we are going to learn about different uses of adjectives that have different special meaning. Just take some example. First sentence is Ram is tall. Ram is taller than Shyam. Ram is the tallest boy. यहाँ राम लंबा है, राम श्याम से ज़्यादा लंबा है, राम सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा है. द एडजेक्टिव इज टॉल. जब इसकी तुलना कंपैरिजन श्याम से किया गया, उसे बताने के लिए उसकी क्वालिटी को, उस एडजेक्टिव को, विशेषण को हमने टॉलर से दिखाया. और जब राम की इसी विशेषता को हम सबसे बेहतर बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सुपर कंपैरिजन में जा रहे हैं, तब हम उसे टॉलेस्ट कह के जता रहे हैं. एक्चुअली इन वाक्यों में ध्यान से देखें तो राम की विशेषता जो कि लंबाई यानी टॉल है, वहाँ तीनों वाक्यों में लंबाई को अलग अलग तरीके से बताया गया है. Here the word tall is having three different forms. So we can say that the adjective tall have three different forms. These forms are known as the degree of comparison. In the above three sentences, we get three adjectives, that is tall, taller and tallest. First one shows general information about a noun. Second one shows the comparison with one or more noun, more person, or we can say the more person. And third one shows that Ram is the only tall person. Now tall is the positive form or positive degree. Taller is comparative degree. And the tallest is the superlative degree of that adjective. I think you already studied about this degree of comparison in your previous classes, and you can understand or you can go through this type of list, that is a list of degree of comparison in the under the banner of positive, comparative and superlative degree. There are some adjectives: good, bad, wise, big, soft. And these positive adjectives is changed in comparative and also in superlative degrees. But by changing is done under some rule. So we must know the rule about this changing of comparison or the forming of comparison. Rule 1 is some adjective change completely in the comparative and superlative form. For example, we can see good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Rule number 2, if an adjective ends in E, add R or EST. For example, we can take wise, where the word ends with E, and to change it into comparative and superlative, we add R and EST in the last. Rule number 3, Sometimes before adding er or est to an adjective, the last letter is repeated. Just like the example big, the last letter is G, and in comparative form and superlative form, before adding er or est, we make it double G in both the comparative and superlative form. And the last rule is most adjectives form by simply add er and est. It is the most common rule for the formation of superlative and comparative degree, just like soft by adding er, softer, and by adding est, softest. I think you can understand what is degree of comparison, and this degree of comparison is actually the changed form of adjective. If you go through this lesson, I think you can find easy to make this fill in the blanks by changing the superlative degree or comparative degree. That's all for today. Thank you.